Let's dive into the world of money and riches, where there are some unwritten rules known to the successful folks that make a real difference. These aren't your typical financial guidelines. They're like the secret sauce that sets the prosperous apart from those struggling with money matters. These principles are second nature to the wealthy, but often go unnoticed by others. It's not just about having a bunch of cash. It's about knowing how to make it grow, how to handle it, and how to put it to good use. So imagine we're chatting about 8 key strategies and habits that the successful folks swear by. This isn't your typical finance advice. It's the kind that can change the game for you. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey, these principles are like a roadmap to success. They spill the beans on what it really takes to make, multiply, and keep your money. Now let's break it down. There are 8 financial principles that the rich know, but not everyone else does. These aren't some top-secret codes. They're just ideas that come from economic wisdom, looking at how wealthy people did things in the past, and insights from smarty-pants academics and entrepreneurs. They're not exclusive secrets, but the wealthy seem to get them better, using these principles to really boost their financial game. 1. Unleashing the power of compound interest. Let's talk about the magic of compound interest, the secret sauce for building wealth. They call it the 8th wonder of the world, and here's why. It's like making money on your money's money. You start with a little cash and over time, watch it grow exponentially. Picture kicking off with a small sum, maybe right out of the gate when you're just starting out. This straightforward move could set you up for some serious financial wins down the road. Now here's the real deal. Kickstarting early and tossing in regular contributions to your investments is the name of the game. Stick with this routine and you're riding the wave of compound interest. What happens then? Your consistent, modest savings turn into a pile of wealth over the years. The real magic is giving time the chance to work its charm. That compounding effect? It slowly transforms your financial journey into a powerful force, shaping your humble beginnings into some pretty impressive financial successes. Cool, huh? 2. Creating a financial fortress, the power of multiple income streams. Let's paint a picture of financial stability as the construction of a sturdy house, and right at its core, we find the essential foundation of diversifying income, an art often mastered by the financial elite. Instead of hitching your financial wagon to a lone star like a typical monthly paycheck, the wealthy play it smart with a more versatile approach, weaving together multiple streams of income. Imagine this as nurturing a vibrant financial garden, where various income sources, investments, side hustles, rental properties, and royalties blossom and thrive. By avoiding the trap of tossing all your financial eggs into a single basket, you're essentially building a robust safety net. If one income stream faces a hiccup, the others remain steady, reducing the risk associated with any single source faltering. It's like having a financial backup plan that not only provides a sense of security but also opens up a world of possibilities for significant financial growth. So think of it as constructing not just a house but a financial fortress. Each income stream becomes a pillar of resilience, holding up your economic well-being. The magic happens when you diversify, turning your financial landscape into a dynamic ecosystem where opportunities for growth abound. It's not just about weathering storms. It's about thriving and flourishing in the diverse garden of financial possibilities you've cultivated. 3. Navigating the wealth chessboard, the art of asset accumulation. Think of the wealth-building journey as a high-stakes chess game, and understanding the difference between assets and liabilities becomes your masterstroke. Assets in this grand game are the powerhouse pieces on the financial chessboard. They're like the knights, bishops, and rooks that hold the potential to generate income or increase in value over time. Picture investments, real estate, and businesses as your strategic players in this financial game of chess. Now, let's talk about the flip side, liabilities. These are the moves that can set you back, like the tricky moves of an opponent. Loans, debts, and expenses for items that lose value over time are the liabilities you want to avoid. They're like the pawns that can be sacrificed without gaining much ground. Successful individuals playing this wealth chess game adopt a mindset laser-focused on accumulating assets that contribute positively to their financial position over time. It's all about building your financial empire with strategic moves. This shift in approach is like upgrading your financial playbook to a more sophisticated level. So, if you're on the journey to level up your financial health, start envisioning a landscape dominated by assets, not liabilities. Picture your financial future as a chessboard, where each asset is a strategic move propelling you toward success, and each liability is a move you strategically sidestep. It's time to play the wealth game strategically and win. 4. Risk management, a vital skill in wealth mastery. Diving into the realm of wealth building, it becomes evident that mastering the art of risk management is akin to holding the compass that guides your financial journey. The affluent recognize that steering clear of risk entirely is an impractical goal, but strategically managing and mitigating risks is an absolute necessity. It's the delicate dance of recognizing that calculated risks, when approached with wisdom, can pave the way for substantial rewards, setting the stage for heightened financial success. Think of risk management as a skillful navigation through choppy waters. The savvy wealth builder understands that having a diversified portfolio is like having a sturdy ship equipped to weather various financial storms. It's not about avoiding the waves, but learning how to ride them. Purchasing insurance becomes your financial life jacket, a safety net that cushions the impact of unforeseen events. It's like ensuring that even if your ship encounters rough seas, you have a backup plan to keep you afloat. And then there's the compass, your solid financial plan. This isn't just a roadmap, it's your strategic blueprint. Through thorough research and meticulous planning, you identify potential risks and develop strategies to navigate them. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. So, in the grand tapestry of wealth creation, mastering the art of risk management becomes your brushstroke. It's about creating a resilient financial canvas where calculated risks, backed by knowledge and foresight, become the brushstrokes that paint a picture of enduring success. In essence, it's not about avoiding the thrill of the journey, but ensuring you have the skills and tools to navigate it masterfully. 5. The importance of becoming a learning machine. In the dynamic landscape of wealth creation, one key trait shared by the financially successful is their commitment to continuous financial education. It's like having a perpetual thirst for knowledge in the realms of finance and economics, a commitment that sets them apart. The idea is simple but profound. Stay informed, stay ahead. Imagine financial education as a cornerstone, and you're not just dipping your toes but diving deep into the waters of understanding financial management intricacies, deciphering market trends, and grasping economic principles. It's not a one-time affair. It's a lifelong commitment to staying in the know. How do the wealthy achieve this perpetual state of financial enlightenment? Picture them with a stack of books, deep dives into financial literature that offer insights and perspectives. Add to that the symphony of voices at seminars, where industry experts share their wisdom and experiences. And don't forget the daily rendezvous with financial news, a ritual that keeps them abreast of the ever-evolving financial landscape. The beauty lies in the fact that continuous financial education isn't just about amassing facts. It's about adopting an educated and quantified approach to every financial decision. It's about having the tools to decipher complex financial scenarios, the foresight to anticipate changes, and the adaptability to thrive in an ever-changing economic environment. So, as you embark on your financial journey, consider making continuous financial education your steadfast companion. It's not just about accumulating wealth, it's about understanding the intricacies of finance, making informed decisions, and ultimately mastering the art of growing and safeguarding your wealth. 7. Strategic financial leverage in wealth creation. Let's demystify the notion of strategic debt usage, a concept that often raises eyebrows but holds immense potential when wielded wisely. The wealthy have a unique understanding of debt, recognizing it not merely as a financial burden, but as a potent tool for wealth creation. It's like having a double-edged sword that, when handled strategically, can carve a path towards financial prosperity. First and foremost, let's clear the air. Excessive debt for items that depreciate over time is a no-go zone. But here's where the wealthy play a different game. They comprehend the art of leveraging debt for investments and assets that either appreciate or generate income. It's a nuanced dance, understanding the difference between good and bad debt, and using it as a calculated instrument in the grand symphony of wealth building. Imagine debt as a financial chisel sculpting your wealth landscape. Instead of shying away from it, the wealthy embrace the potential it holds. They don't see it as a weight around their necks, but rather as a strategic ally that, when used judiciously, can propel them forward. So how does this strategic debt magic happen? Picture it like financing a business venture where borrowed capital fuels growth and generates returns. Or consider acquiring real estate through a well-calculated mortgage, debt working to appreciate assets over time. It's a game of understanding the financial chessboard, making moves that position you strategically for long-term gains. In essence, strategic debt usage is about turning a potentially risky financial instrument into a powerful strategy. It's about being discerning in your financial choices, recognizing opportunities where debt can act as a catalyst for wealth creation. When wielded with precision, debt becomes not just a financial instrument, but a strategic partner on your journey to building and securing wealth. 8. The crucial impact of networking on wealth accumulation. In the intricate dance of wealth accumulation, networking emerges as a key choreographer, orchestrating success for the financially affluent. Picture it as weaving a tapestry of connections, a vibrant network that becomes the linchpin for numerous business and investment opportunities. The role of networking isn't merely a side act, it's a star performer in the grand production of financial triumph. At its core, effective networking is more than just exchanging business cards at events. It's about building and nurturing a solid professional ecosystem where connections go beyond superficial encounters. The wealthy understand the essence of this dance. They connect with individuals spanning diverse industries, forging relationships that transcend the transactional and delve into the realms of shared knowledge and collaboration. Imagine a robust network as a living entity, a dynamic force that extends beyond the confines of your immediate industry. It's a web of relationships that intertwines, creating a reservoir of insights, opportunities, and collective wisdom. In this intricate tapestry, individuals don't merely exchange pleasantries, they share valuable insights, mentorship, and, more importantly, they become conduits for potential ventures and financial growth. Think of networking not as a mere social activity, but as a strategic move on the chessboard of wealth building. Your network becomes an invaluable asset, serving as a radar that identifies and pinpoints financial opportunities often invisible to the unconnected eye. It's about being in the right circles, where whispers of potential ventures, investment prospects, and market trends become part of your financial symphony. So, in the symphony of wealth accumulation, networking takes center stage. It's not just about who you know, but how well you know them and how effectively you can collaborate. Your network isn't just a collection of contacts, it's a dynamic force, a catalyst for financial success, and a testament to the adage that in the world of wealth, your connections can be as valuable as your currency. As we wrap up our deep dive into the Wealth Blueprint, 8 financial principles to follow. Remember that these insights are your compass to navigate the world of prosperity. Subscribe for a continuous flow of transformative tips, and let's sculpt your financial future together. Your journey to financial triumph has just begun, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, stay inspired, stay informed, and happy wealth building.